Hi, Rosemary. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Can you just introduce yourself to the people, the audience who are watching this video?
Okay, my name is Rosemary, Rosemary Chiwu. I'm Nigerian, but based in the UK right now. I came originally under my husband's innovator's visa, but unfortunately he passed. I had to uh, try to start up my own business, but I've been a lawyer in Nigeria for over 16 years. So getting into a business is not so easy. But not that it's not doable, it is doable. So here we are today.
It makes sense. It must be very tough journey normally for anyone who's switching from an innovator visa. So when did you decide to start going for the innovator founder visa?
When?
Yeah.
Well, I wanted to own my own business. I
Mhm.
wanted to run my own thing. I was actually going to do my own business, even though I was under my husband's innovator's visa. But when he passed, there's no how on earth I will be able to do all of that since I was a dependent without having to now own an innovator visa.
Mhm.
So that was when I decided.
Okay. Any idea how long did it take for you for the process? Like
Well,
how long? Yeah.
can you ask the question again?
Like, how long did it actually take you for to get an endorsement?
Well, I think to be fair, it's it should take 3 months, all right. But I mean, we have other things we're doing. We have to make sure your business plan is in place, everything. Then coupled with the fact that I had surgery, so I my treatment because of my treatment I was delayed.
Mhm.
So it's not a fault of the innovator thing or the business planning thing. It's just basically my fault
Mhm.
because of my health issues. Yeah.
Okay. If there's any sort of tips or something, would you give to people who are gonna start the innovator founder visa? People are watching the video. What is one tip you'll give it to them? Tip or an advice?
Yeah. Okay. First of all, I would say you have to choose something that it's you, something that you can something that is inbuilt in you, something you're versatile with, that you a field you know but very well. And then you also have to consider, because you're in the UK, you also consider who is going to help you build your business plan, because you might have an idea, but if you're not able to elaborate on this idea and what the UK government wants, it's not going to go anywhere for you at all. So you first step is to make sure you've got an idea, and then you have to find the right team to help you put that idea into a driving force.
Mhm. Like,
Yeah.
to have an idea and to make it as a business is the
Yeah.
biggest struggle in doing it. Yeah.
I mean,
Um.
you can have an idea, and if you don't have the right advice, from the right person or company, you may just that idea may not even work
Mhm.
because there are criteria you need to meet.
Mhm.
So yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. So what was your biggest struggle in this process of innovator visa, which you felt, but something which you got surprised? And obviously, your husband also had innovator visa, so you kind of know how it's gonna work. But again, is there any surprises or something which you didn't expect, which happened in the process?
No, I didn't get surprised. I didn't get any surprise because I was working with someone that seems to know her onion.
Mhm.
So she knows. I didn't get any surprise at all.
Mhm.
I mean, yeah, it was just as it was explained from the beginning. Then we started the journey and it came to fruition.
Yeah, that makes sense. Any few lines about our service which we helped you in getting the endorsement? Anything about the about Shine and others who helped you in this journey?
Okay, I can only talk more about China.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, she amazes me most. Like, she knows what she's doing. Even before I asked the question, she already has it figured out. She thought of it even before I consider it.
Mm-hmm.
And then there are times I was overwhelmed, but I think because of her, I kept going. It felt like it wasn't going to happen, but she said, you have to read for your interview. You have to study. You're not just going to just talk and it's okay and everything is, no, your business plan is not just okay. It's okay, but you have to also prove that this is your plan, this is your business idea, this is you. You just have to find it. And that happened because we went on interviews and interviews to get me prepared to be able to face the assessor.
That's good. Anyways, Stans, thank you so much for your time, Rosemary. It was lovely talking to you, and have a really nice day. Yeah, and I hope your business grows really well.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.